Do you know why today holds a special significance in Bangladesh? It's a day marked by grand celebrations, the presentation of prestigious awards, and the nation comes alive with parades, concerts, and rallies. The air vibrates with a sense of unity and pride as people don their traditional green and red saris and kurtas, the streets awash with these vibrant hues. But what's the occasion that brings about such vibrant festivities? It's none other than the Independence Day of Bangladesh. To understand the significance of this day, we must journey back to the tumultuous times of 1971. The air was thick with political unrest as the eastern and western segments of Pakistan grappled for power. At the heart of this struggle, a beacon of hope emerged, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Known as the father of the nation, he championed the cause of autonomy for what was then East Pakistan. In the face of increasing tensions, Sheikh Mujibur urged his people to turn their grief into strength and their anger into energy. His impassioned speeches ignited a sense of unity and resilience among his followers, setting the stage for a momentous change. The night of March 25 marked a dark period in the nation's history. The Pakistani army launched Operation Searchlight, a brutal crackdown aimed at suppressing the Bengali nationalist movement. The streets echoed with the cries of innocence as a nationwide genocide unfolded, casting a shadow of despair. Yet, in the midst of this chaos, a glimmer of hope persisted. Undeterred by the atrocities around him, Sheikh Mujibur urged his people to fight for their rights, their identity, their freedom. As the clock struck midnight and the date changed to March 26, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared Bangladesh an independent country. The Declaration of Independence was just the beginning of a long and arduous journey for Bangladesh. The proclamation was not the end, but rather the onset of a grueling 9-month-long liberation war, a war that was both a struggle for freedom and a testament to the resilience of the Bangladeshi people. This period was marked by a fierce resistance against oppression, a fight that was not confined to the borders of Bangladesh but reverberated across the world. Countries near and far lent their voices and resources, standing in solidarity with the budding nation. The outpouring of international support played a pivotal role in tipping the scales in favor of Bangladesh. Finally, on a cold December day, the 16th to be precise, in the year 1971, victory was sealed. The war had ended, but the struggle was far from over. Despite the hardships and sacrifices, Bangladesh emerged as a sovereign nation, proud and free. Fast forward to today, and the spirit of independence continues to thrive in Bangladesh. Each year, as the eve of Independence Day dawns, a handful of exceptional individuals and organizations are honored with the prestigious Independence Day Award. This recognition is a tribute to their extraordinary contributions in diverse fields, be it science, sports, writing, music, or art. As the sun rises on Independence Day, the nation comes alive with grand parades, riveting concerts and spirited rallies, painting the country in a vibrant palette of celebration. The streets are awash with the national colors, green and red. Many proudly don their traditional saris and kurtas in these hues, a living testament to their national pride. The green symbolizes progress, the nation's youthful spirit and its lush landscapes, while the red stands for sacrifice, rebirth and the rising sun, a beacon of hope and resilience. So, as we remember the bravery and sacrifice that birthed this nation, we wish Bangladesh a very happy Independence Day.